Hi there, this is Jess. Welcome back to another video. In the last video where I was talking about making a large batch of salt sizzlers, I had kind of derailed myself during part of that video and I had started talking about how to package them. Now I'm going to show you in this next video here how to package salt sizzlers. Just some ideas for you to try out.
Of course, you could use larger stand-up plastic bags like this, or you could use small, fancy, iridescent ones like this, but be careful when you're buying packaging like this that you're incorporating your cost into your product price, because fancy bags like this can get quite expensive, so you don't want to get too crazy with that. And I think I ripped this one as I was pulling it out, so I have to make sure that that's not got a hole in it that's going to leak product everywhere. So you got to be gentle when you're pulling. If you're going to do what I did and use a paper clip on the bag, you got to be gentle when you pull it off, because I just ruined one. A couple other ideas is that you could use plastic tubes like this, or cute plastic test tubes like this to package your product in, or you could use small glass bottles like this, or even small glass candle jars. That would work as well. Don't be afraid to get creative with your packaging. You just don't want to use something like a pillow box, because it's nothing that's made of paper or anything like that, because what would happen is, I'll show you. Can you see how when I put this in here, it immediately got wet spots on it? So over time, what will happen is, not to mention that the salt would leak out the bottom, but it will just absorb all of the fragrance and just basically turn into a wet, soggy mess. So be careful when you're using bags and boxes and whatever, that they're not got craft, that they're made of plastic or or glass or something, that they're not going to absorb the fragrance oil and turn into a mess when it reaches your customers.
Thanks for watching this. I hope you got lots of different ideas on how to package your different salt sizzlers. And if you like this video, check out this one next just to get a little bit more insight on how to make salt sizzlers. I'll see you there. Bye.